Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in BMO credit cards. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now let's get started. Firstly, launch any web browser on a PC and there on the URL, search for bmo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now here you have to choose the country and the language, and after the selection, you will be headed to the official homepage of BMO, which looks like this. Now on the homepage, you will be able to see sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on that button and there a drop down menu will be pop up on a screen. Now from the drop down menu, click on the very first option, sign in to the online banking. Once you do that, you will be taken to the sign in to the online banking page. Now here in this page, you have to enter your card number, and after that you have to enter your account password. Now if you want to double check your password, you can click on this eye icon to reveal and confirm your password before moving on. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget your password link to reset your password. And if you want your system to remember your card number so that you don't have to manually enter your card number in your next visit, then you can tick the square box. But if you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is for your security. Now once you're done with entering your details, click on sign in button to get logged into your BMO credit card. If the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you should be logged into your BMO credit card account, and from there you can view your account balance, transaction, make payments, manage other aspects of your credit card. Now that was the quick and simple video on how to get logged into your BMO credit card account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.